No, let's just do this. Make sure you plant all your C4. No, all you did is you just went up and then went back down, just like a little jump. Yours went flying over the map. You could have gone flying over the hill. He robbed me, knifed me, shot me, poured acid down my throat. Yeah, there will be.
Get ready.
Yeah, there is a boat. Everyone plant the C4, then drive away in the boat. Whoever's doing it. No, plant C4 first. Oh.
Get in the boat with me. Oh wait, I'll tell you. Oh wait, we're gonna start in 5 seconds.
Oh. Where's Matt? Oh, he's in there. Yeah.
He's got jumped out. Oh wait.
God damn empty servers. What does BR mean?
Oh my god. Brian Bowler. Brian Bowler. Like that.
No. I landed on top of that. Yeah, I landed on the actual boat. Where is he? Wait, why is my aim all dodged up now? Right. So I'm blowing up the C4. Okay. This could take a while. Where are we actually going?
It's thinking. I think when they do it from I think they did it around
15, there's one bit.
Oh yeah, not there. When that little land is sticking out there.
No, this one past C4 then.
No, not there.
Where?
Yeah.
I'll run across. Oh.
Where the nose of the boat is.
Yeah.
Right, around there, yeah. Find it there. I've got to punch it too. Hang on, let me just detonate mine. I'm going to do that. I'm going to have to detonate them. I didn't know if I had full ammo. Not as well. Okay, start again.
God damn it. Wait, oh, someone get in the boat now.
Alright.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I know it was to the top of the end of the drop. Then like, you put one down and you... Alright, Ryan, get in the distance and see how similar Matthew's doing. See how far we can go. I don't know how far we're like that, but we're not going to push the boat.
Where's this thing up, man?
How far is it?
About 30 minutes.
Hopefully this will do. Ryan, hopefully you've got this. Okay.
Whoa! That was amazing.
Does it hurt when you clap?
You both die.
You really do it.
Ah.
I didn't know that was going to happen.
Last time you didn't die, did you?
I was at a boat.
Let me do it.
I landed in the water.
Yeah, that's the flying boat with C4 thing.